So let's take a look at its structure. Some neurons are less than a millimeter in length, while others are up to a meter long. Still, they all have a similar basic structure, as you can see on the right side. So let's starting from the big yellow chunk part, the soma. Soma, as I said before, that mean the cell body. It includes our nucleus, which contains the genetic material, DNA, of each neuron. Sticking out from the cell body are dendrites, which looks a bit like branches, without leaves. Dendrites. These carry electrical signals from neighboring neurons to the cell body. The axon carries the electrical signal away from the cell body and down the length of the neuron. The axon is covered in a fatty layer called myelin sheath. The myelin sheath is a fatty layer that protects the axon and also speeds up the electrical signal. The sheath has gap called nodes of Ranvier, which these make the signal go even faster as it jumps across each gap. At the end of axon are terminal buttons, or we also call it axon terminal, which communicate with the next neuron in the chain across a gap called synaptic cleft.